So today I am modeling my dresses. So I'm starting off with the latest one I made is this skirt here. And well, I made it longer and added some things. So let me model it. Here we go. Let's turn some lights on. Here's another skirt I made, and you can wear it with a yellow, you can wear it with the blue, yellow, or green. Wear it with green. Let's put them in. I'm going to change this one, probably. Make it short, and then I'm going to use those to make the fluffies. So here's that skirt here. Okay, look at the next one. Alright, here's another one. And also this one you can wear with green, yellow, or orange. I'm wearing it with my green shirt. What's sideways? There we go. Okay. You can wear a little belt with it if you want. Of course, I'm wearing my sexy shoes. Alright, here's the skirt I made, and this one here, we're pairing it up with a brown Roxy shirt. So this is the one here. Skirt I made. Here's another skirt I made. So I'm pairing it up with my True North red shirt. So made with jeans. So, and then use some other pieces of fabric. Another one. Here's another one. This one's very short, so you can wear shorts under it. Might make it longer yet, but I do like the colors that I made it with. I also paired that up with this yellow shirt. Really goes with it. So this is a very short skirt. Here's another skirt I did. I'm pairing this one up with a green shirt, yellow green shirt. Got the green flowers on here. A little white, with light jeans. Now this one, I'm going to change the top a little bit yet. Probably pull it in like that where I've cut it. And then I might open the back a little bit on this shirt. Because it is a little tight the way I put this on here. But yeah, this is another outfit I did, and this is kind of like an outfit. So I used the bottom of the shirt to do the skirt, and then I used the top to add to this. So I got the sleeves, I got the neckline, and yeah. So this one's cute too. Let me know what you got. What's your guys' favorite? I have a few long skirts yet to do, but I'm not going to do them right now. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial of all the skirts I've made, and I've got more that I've made already. So that's what I've been doing. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial, little modeling. God bless. Have a good day. Bye.